dramatic uplift is just north of Yellowstone Lake, in the area geologists call a resurgent dome.
And we have within this caldera, these orange areas here, these are resurgent domes. These are areas that are uplifted while the caldera was collapsing and subsiding.
Geologists believe that these two areas were lifted up by the magma chamber as the caldera was formed. It's thought that some magma is still inside these domes, holding up these areas. But they couldn't be sure until now. We've seen this model of the Yellowstone magma plume, the tube through which molten rock from the Earth's core reaches the magma chamber sitting on top of the plume. Using similar data, geologists have created this 3D illustration of the magma chamber as it sits below the Yellowstone caldera.
This is a three-dimensional image like a CAT scan or an X-ray of the Earth. Is giving us an image of what we think is the magma system that drives Yellowstone.
This U-shaped chamber is thought to contain more than 300 cubic miles of partially molten rock, 100 times larger than Pinatubo's magma chamber, and is just 5 miles below the surface. More importantly, the area of the most dramatic uplift spotted by the satellites is directly above a peak of the chamber. This suggests the magma chamber is expanding, pushing up against the Earth's surface at this peak. The other area of striking ground deformation is near the Norris Geyser Basin, the hottest and most unstable thermal basin in the park.
Norris Geyser Basin is one of the most dynamic of the hydrothermal areas at Yellowstone. It's always changing.